Jamaicans, why y'all didn't tell me about the Panadol? Blood clot. I was sick for 2 days. Then I took this. Oh, your blood.
Look at this stuffed oxtail patty. Do you guys see that? It smells like braised beef. This meat is clearly all fall off the bone meat. So it's a stuffed patty with cocoa bread on the outside. How am I even gonna pick this up without having it fall apart? The bread is so soft. Yo, this was, I think it was around $13, but it's worth it. Look at how hefty and how much meat you get. Just take a big bite for Big Mom. Oh wow, tender meat. That is really, really good. I didn't get a bite of the cocoa bread though. Ah! No meat goes wasted. Make sure you ask for extra napkins, but this is actually delicious and it's a whole ass meal. What you don't see is a coleslaw underneath. Not a big fan of coleslaw in my food. Like, I like it separate. I wouldn't say that it's oxtail meat. Just think about the price of oxtail and how much you get if you were to actually go to like an actual oxtail, like Jamaican food place, versus this price. For this much oxtail meat, something's not adding up. Either way, it's delicious meat and they did a really good job at cooking it. It's so good.
I'm on spring break. Best day ever. I got oxtails.
What you know about oxtails?
Yup, I don't know. I grew up with them.
You grew up on them?
I grew up with oxtails.
Boy,
like
bye.
lobster, steak, and that crab leg stuff, that old stuff.
Good. What's that?
Beef patty.
Beef patty.
My mom's brother was right here right now. He ate all this stuff.
That's because he from New York.
He is.
They know about beef patties and cocoa bread. Where your drink at?
Right here, a pineapple.
What you know about Julius? That's cornbread.
Everything is hot, fresh.
Fresh. And where's this from again?
Island Life.
You sure do know how to eat. All this for $29 that you didn't have.